Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion Calendar versus Fantastical. We'll dive deep into their core functionalities, user interfaces, and unique features to help you decide which calendar application best fits your workflow. I'll highlight their strengths in areas like task management, event creation, and cross-platform compatibility, ensuring you gain a clear understanding of each tool's advantages. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation to make an informed choice for your daily scheduling needs. Notion Calendar truly shines for those deeply embedded in the Notion ecosystem. Its ability to directly link events to your Notion databases and pages is a game changer for project management and task tracking. You can visualize your entire workflow, from daily meetings to long-term project deadlines, all within a unified interface. This deep integration makes it incredibly powerful for users who rely on Notion for their organizational needs, offering a cohesive experience. Fantastical stands out with its incredibly intuitive natural language parsing, allowing you to type lunch with Sarah tomorrow at 1 p.m. at the cafe and have it instantly create the event. It's a powerhouse for Apple users, offering a polished experience across all 4 main Apple platforms. With features like meeting proposals, which simplify scheduling with others, and integrated weather forecasts, Fantastical provides a comprehensive and user-friendly experience for managing your busy schedule with precision and ease. Ultimately, your choice between Notion Calendar and Fantastical depends on your specific workflow. If you live and breathe Notion, leveraging its databases for projects and tasks, Notion Calendar offers unparalleled integration. However, if you're an Apple Power user who values lightning-fast event creation through natural language and a rich feature set across all your devices, Fantastical is likely your champion. Both are excellent tools, so consider trying each for a few days to see which one truly enhances your productivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.